guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing the unboxing of the new SB Dunk High Strawberry Cough. I got it for my birthday and it came late from my best friend. Thank you, shout out. It's a size 7. I can fit like 6.5 in men or 7, depends on the shoe. But I'm so excited, so let's get into the video. How pretty. Look at the color. Pink box. This one. Interesting. Oh no. Wait a minute. Okay. Oh, hi. Hi, baby. Don't eat my shoes. Say hi to my bunny, you guys. She's a little bit shy. But I'm gonna need better lighting to do an in-depth video for you guys. It's not looking right. Okay. I will be back. It's from StockX. I am so sad. One of the shoe is a B grade. Can you guys see the difference? The one with the StockX sign, which is your right, that's the left shoe side. It has a freaking lump and it's made very poorly. Where the toe box is, where your left side, which is the right shoe side, is perfect. No flaws. Oh my god, you can just tell, right? And what is up with that lump? What is going on, StockX? You passed this test? Oh my gosh, I'm so bummed. But let's go to the side, okay? I'm gonna show you guys the height difference. The one on your right is leaning, the strawberry is leaning and skinnier. The one on your left, the strawberry is standing straight and fatter. Makes no sense. And look at the stem, it doesn't even line up. Is it even to you guys? Because it's not even to me. I know you can't see it on camera, but you can feel it. The right side, you guys, right side feels so good material wise, and the left side, Like I said earlier, the left side is darker. That's the right shoe side, where the right side is the left shoe side. It's lighter, but I don't know if you can see it on camera. But let me show you where the swoosh is at. On the B grade shoe, okay, there's excess. You see that? Where the right shoe side, the clean cut, there's no excess at all. You can really spot the difference, especially when I do this. What? There's no way StockX should have passed this. Hi. Hi, girl. Don't bite the shoe, okay? Alright. Let's go. This side, the stitching is clean. Hi. And then this side, the stitching is off. Right? Not pretty. Let's do the lean test. The final one, okay? Oh man. Line it up evenly. Look, even the height is different, and this one is thicker, and this one is skinnier. This one, touching it, tapping it, it's not leaning, and then this one, you can barely tap it, and it's moving. Oh man, okay. Can we zoom into this stitch right here, please? What? You guys see what I'm seeing? It's not clean as this side. What do you... It's off, right? I'm not the only one seeing this. So I'm gonna contact StockX. And yeah, it's so obvious. The stitching is almost touching the swoosh, where on this side it's not. I love the shoe. I'm just not keeping it. I'm gonna return it and then get a better one to be safe. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment below. Is it B grade or is it fake? This one is real, for sure, 100%. There's like no flaw on this one. Absolutely no flaw. All the stitching is perfect. Clean cuts, beautiful paint job, no flaws. And then you got this one, the possible fake or B grade. You see the paint there. I don't know. It's just stitching's off. Extra. The feel of the material is different too, but again, can't see it on camera. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys that one shoe is might not be authentic. So this one for sure though. It's perfect. Okay, bye. Bye.